Welcome back to another video of Sparkflows with Databricks integration. So in this video, I'll be showing how you can read and write from the Databricks file system using Sparkflows. So let's look at one of the workflow that we have designed over here using the drag and drop connector. So you can always go to the CSV node, drag it over here, and then you can configure it to read from the Databricks file system. So over here we are using a feature data set for a retail use case, and we are also using the sales data set, and then we are doing a bunch of transformations like dropping the column, joining on the columns, group by, and finally we are saving the data. So once we have this workflow configured, let's execute it. And this is going to execute on a Databricks Spark engine. So you can look at the Databricks job run URL, which you can use it for tracking the job progress. But you do not have to go anywhere. You can see the exact progress right on your Sparkflows dashboard. So we have successfully executed the workflow, and the output has been saved in the Databricks file system.